Sunday, August the 26th, and our thought for today is world peace. A world of peace begins in me. Everything that is happening in the world around me is an extension of what is happening inside each one of us. Our individual beliefs are part of the collective consciousness of our planet. My own thoughts and feelings create waves of energy that move outwards from me. Others feel those feelings and pass them on. My inner conflict contributes to conflict, and my own peace allows peace to grow. Every time I take the opportunity to heal something inside myself, that process allows for healing in the world. So with this in mind, I choose to be a channel for peace. I purposefully bring my awareness to the divine energy, allowing it to radiate from me to the outer, allowing for the realization of lasting peace. A world of peace begins in me. Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 12, verse 18 says, "So far as it depends on you, live peaceably with all."